We got ourselves a rectangle that has a diagonal with a length of 25 and one side with a length of 15. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Ooh, this is a loaded question here. Perhaps we start out with ourselves having a nice little rectangle action here. So get ourselves a rectangle. Perhaps you can draw them as awesome as I do. I don't know. We'll see. I do have technology on my side. All right. Now, one of the diagonals, the diagonals is 25. And if you remember from the diagonals of a rectangle, they are congruent. So both of them would be the same. I'm going to draw one here for now. And if I need to draw the second, I'll draw the second. But for now, I'll do that. Now, it says one side length is 15. How about this one's 15? Which would mean that this one's 15 because my opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. It follows all the properties of a parallelogram. All right. I want to find the perimeter. So I need to find this other side right here, which would be the same as this one right here. Now, I'm starting to see some things develop. What's one more thing we know about a rectangle? Perhaps that it has 4 right angles. Whoop. All right. Now, I could mark them all in, but as you see, this diagram gets a little overwhelming, right? I'm going to get rid of those. I'm going to get rid of this and this. And what do we see here now that we're focused in? I see a right triangle with 2 known sides, 1 missing. Pythagorean theorem, or maybe the triples, we'll see, is going to play a role here. Now, you could go the Pythagorean theorem route. That would be x squared plus 15 squared equals 25 squared. I'm going to look for the triples real quick. Then maybe we'll pop back to the Pythagorean theorem. So can I divide the 15 and the 25 by something that's the same, right? A common divisor, right? A greatest common factor, perhaps. I could divide them both by 5, which would give me 3. And if I divide this by 5, I get 5. It is a triple. A 3, 4, 5 triangle that's been multiplied by 5. So 4 times 5 gives me 20 for x. That is my side length there. Would we get the same thing with Pythagorean theorem? I'm thinking we would, right? We should. Let's work it out. So x squared plus 225, just in case you don't believe me, right? It's okay to ask, it's okay to doubt. I'm never wrong, though. I'm wrong sometimes. All right. I got x squared equals, and then if I subtract that, I'm going to get 400. And then if I square root that, x equals 20. Either way, I get the same answer. Perhaps I shouldn't have circled these because if I remember reading back to my problem here, perimeter is what I want. Now, how am I going to get that? Well, I know all the side lengths, right? That's 20. This guy's 15 because opposite sides are congruent. And this one's 20 because opposite sides are congruent. If I add all these up, I got 15 plus 20 plus 20. Oh, my goodness. We got 30 plus 40. I put them together, and I get 70 for my perimeter. Whoop, 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 whoop. Raise the roof. Awesome.